Alright, what's up, y'all? We are celebrating our anniversary early. Look at my eyebrows. And we are going to try a new restaurant called Southern Burger Co. And we are going to tell you guys how it is. So stay tuned. You are so good. For you.
Well,
These ones. Yeah, we can do. This a burger. And we got the mac and cheese burger. Ain't no mac and cheese on it.
it's in there. It's fried in there. It's inside there.
Oh, you got two patties.
This finna be so
You
good.
finna soup it down.
It's finna be so good.
He finna soup it down.
Thank you.
You ready? Welcome.
Thank you.
Super down.
Make sure this sauce good.
You just, ooh, you so nasty. You ain't even put no hand sanitizer on your hands. It's on your burger.
Yeah.
I ain't finna eat this. That's a big burger.
How? How? Oh, it's a pickle on.
See, that's what you get.
I missed it.
That's what you get. Look at my husband's eyebrows.
Zoom in on him.
Boy, your eyebrows like some caterpillars.
Zoom in on him.
Boy, you got some roaches for eyebrows. Look at these. They ain't shaped. They just sitting up there.
This how I'm look every day to make them look thicker.
They look bad. We need to do something. Walmart run. Look at my hair. Alright, y'all. Walmart run. What? It's so funny. Oh, somebody look boy saying stop.
I just seen that man. How he walked. He was walking like that.
Told you. Alright. We came here to get a toothbrush for Reagan, some jellies, and a stupid MLB game. Keyword and emphasis on stupid.
Let's go.